Hello friends, welcome to C Space. Today in this video session, we will discuss how to upload files in a ASP.NET MVC using AngularJS. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio and here we create applications for ASP.NET MVC. So here I take a project for ASP.NET MVC web application. So here we choose ASP.NET Web Applications .NET Framework, and here I rename it as like Angular JS file upload. Now click on OK. Then this creating a project for ASP.NET Web Applications. Here we choose a reference as MVC. Now click on OK buttons. Now it's creating a project for AngularJS file upload. It taking some little bit time. Now project is created. So we go to our Solution Explorer, and here we add one more folder for uploading files into the application. So I add one folder name as upload. Now I have to add one more controller. It's a name like as a home controller. Here we take a MVC5 empty controller. I rename it as a home. Now this adding a controller into this application, and then we create a view for this controller. This is the index action method. Now I adding a view for this. We not use any layout pages, so I uncheck this layout checkbox. Now index is added. So firstly we create a method for uploading file on the server. So here I create a one folder, one methods like name as upload, and this return type as a content result, and this method as a post method. Here we take one variable, it's a path, and here and we upload files on this folder. It's name as upload. So we copy this name and we provide a path name for this folder. If directory does not exist, we need to add a namespace for this directory. It's system.io and it's system.input output namespace directory dot exist. It's not exist. Then we create a folder for this path. Directory dot create directory for this upload folder. Now we take a for each loop string. We take any variable name. It's like a key in request dot files. Now http posted file base. We write here any object name, posted file is equal to request dot files. Here we provide the keys, the index number, and the posted file dot save as. Here we provide the path name with a file name. It's path plus posted files dot file name, and then return a success, return content as a success. Here we take a server path, so we need to take here a server.map path because we want a full server path for uploading files to here. Server.map path. Okay, now this is the methods for uploading files on this folder. So in next step we create a AngularJS file where we create Angular controllers and app for uploading files on a folder. So here by taking one more folder is name as a script. Here I let out one JavaScript file. It's like a upload file, upload. Now here we create a AngularJS app and Angular controller that take up files from a view and uploading that folder, uploading that files on a server folder. It's where app is equal to Angular dot module. Here we write app names like upload app, and here we take a name for this, name for a file and ng file upload, because we taking one more AngularJS file for uploading up files onto the server. It's a ng file upload. Now app dot controller. Here we write controller names like my controller, and then take a function. It's a dollar scope. We take a variable name and then upload, and then one more parameters as a timeout. Then dollar scope dot upload files. We create functions for uploading a file. So upload files is equal to function, and that take a parameters as a files. Now dollar scope dot selected files. We take a variable for selected files is equal to files. If $scope dot selected files and scope dot selected files dot length means it's contain any file name, then we execute this command upload dot upload then here we provide a URL for our method. Our method name is upload, so I write the full URL path into this URL variable. Now we provide a data, it's a files $scope dot selected files then I take a function and its a response dollar timeout. If it's a timeout, then we take a function here dollar scope dot result is equal to response dot data. Now we take a functions for a response. If response dot status is greater than 0, then where error message is equal to response dot status plus response dot data. Now we create one functions for showing a progress bar. Now here we take up parameters like a d and then a where element is equal to. Now we need to create a one div for showing a progress for uploading files on the server. So now we go to our index view and here we create HTMLs for showing progress of the files and UI for uploading files. So I have already created a CSS for this. Now I add this style sheet to here and need to add this CS files. This is the angular.main.js and one more for uploading files on the server. This is the ng file upload.main.js. Now we create a HTML for here. It's a ng app. Here we take our app name. It's a upload app. Now it's a controller name. My controller. And then write here input type is equal to file, and it's a multiple equal to, because we accept here multiple files, and ngf dot select is equal to upload files. Here we take here we provide a function name for this upload files, and then pass a uploaded files. Now I take a list for showing the name of the uploaded files. Ng repeat file in selected files. We take this variable because this contain all the selected files by user, and here we display the file name file dot name. Now we show the progress for uploaded files. ID. Here we provide any IDs, view progress, and then provide a class sub progress. Ng show is equal to progress. It's showing a div when progress is greater than or equal to 0. Now we go to our AngularJS file. And here we select a div angular dot element document dot query selector, and here we provide a ID for that div. It's a dollar scope dot progress, means we take that variable, math dot mean. Here we take a math functions, it's 100, and pass int, and it's 100.0 multiplied d dot loaded data divided by d dot total. Now element dot html, it's a div style is equal to width plus dollar scope dot progress plus now here we saw a percentage, it's a dollar scope dot progress plus now we close a div. Now we finish this file upload.js. We check for this. I think this length spelling is wrong. It's length length, and here we add some semicolons. Now we go to our view, and here we need to link that file upload.js to this index view. So I drag and drop this JS file to here. Now we build our project. Now it's built successfully. So now we run this project. Now it's loading. Now project is run successfully. So if we press it, now we choose a file and we select any files here. It's conference.jpg. Now we check this jpg file into our uploaded folder. So uploaded folder is here. It's name as upload. We check. Now this file is presented here. So this is all for how to upload files in ASP.NET MVC using AngularJS. So if you have any questions, any problem, please write in the comment box. I will reply you soon. If you like my videos, please click on subscribe buttons and notifications bell. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.